storage phone, yeah.
Hey, Scotty. Are you making a baby? Are you making a... Are you getting laid?
Hey, they don't know. Because I'm very appreciative of this right now.
Because you and I are too unflexible to do this.
Well, I mean, yeah, anyways.
Unchristian-like hands.
No, you just... I'm very appreciative.
How appreciative.
Not that much.
No knee pads?
I'll buy him a bottle of rum.
Damn! That's the last one, huh?
Yeah.
That's been a pain in the butt.
Turn around. Got all the rest of the bolts cleaned up, set up.
Ooh.
So as soon as that one comes out, I can clean that one. Those can get a quick spritz. And we already showed how the pan looks. I got my little thing, my screw, my drill, my screw gun, whatever you want to call it. Everybody's different.
You are different.
Always.
You are special. To me. You are special to me.
Good.
I don't know if it's a good thing. Anyway.
Oh.
Scotty, did you get the last bolt?
Well, he's going to have to get the wrench out of the way.
Did you get it? Ding fries are done. What?
10 mil ratchet wrench, please.
Ratchet wrench. Oh, I'll get out of the way. I stood right here. Whoa, wait a minute. I'm walking by and you put your arm out? Oh, hold on. There we go. Wait a minute. He was trying to... That's not a wrench. Oh, my God. I am definitely proud of this team of crazy people. Look at that. I can see it. Look. Scotty got it.
Yeah, it's one of those things like, it's loose enough, but not.
It's so windy today. Scotty, 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 Scotty. Oh my God, Burnsy's dancing. We're cheering him on with his unchristian-like hands. Unchristian-like, yet very Amish. Did you get it? Are we pregnant? Like, I kind of want to cut, but the suspense is here. It's one of those suspenseful moments where it's like, I really want to just stay focused on what's going on. Did you get it? Did you get it? Oh, he got it! Scotty, my hero. chalk up another one for the unchristian-like hands of Scotty.
Nick,
He's outside.
find a smaller screw.
Oh, someone put a longer one in? That's cute. Thanks, Scotty. Take 5. All right, so Scotty got the bolt out, right? He's very exhausted now. And what have we noticed? It's not the right bolt.
Just leave me. Don't take long. Why are you taking long?
Because he wants to
Because
demonstrate.
it's something I don't normally do.
I know.
Pulling out?
Oh, that's true. We can show.
Gee, I wonder why that was so difficult and time-consuming to get out.
And I knew the second I touched it with my fingers that something.
Because some clown
Something
put the
wasn't right.
wrong bolt in.
So at some point in time,
That was a part
this transmission was serviced. Some point.
with the
Don't know
wrong
when.
hardware. Fun.
And it's common. We all drop a bolt. I've done it a million times, if not more. But to put the wrong bolt in, no, that's not.
Especially when that's
Really?
2.5 times as long.
Yeah. Do you think you might have one of those?
We probably do.
Why-
That's a pretty
why I say
standard
that.
GM bolt.
If we get bolts, we disassemble something, whatever, and we get other parts in, and they have bolts on them, I take all the bolts and nuts, the washers, all of them, and they go right in the drawer.
Yeah.
Because you never know when you're going to need something like this.
Yeah, because people like to throw bolts out. Not us. Not us. We
There are certain things I am a huge pack rat on.
hardware,
Like if I can get my toolbox from Georgia here.
hardware, watches, blow up dolls, old newspapers.
Yeah. Okay.
Scotty's gonna go
Breathing's labored. I need to go
Take a
take my
nap.
heart meds.
go take some meds. We love you. Good job.
Can you wait 5 more minutes? Put you to even time.
Yeah.
I'll just take the 5 minutes he owes me 4 anyways. You do.
Damn. This fool right here.
I know nothing.
All right. Good job, boys.
Thank you, thank you.
Well.
How long did it take me to find, by the way?
30 seconds. And guess what?
It's exact. You know why? Because I hoard GM hardware.
But we're going to do it right. Mm-hmm. And so I'm going to clean that one real quick.
Clean that. Put it
We're
in
going to get a
the
little
pile.
spritz on that. I'm going to pull the pan from underneath and get that all cleaned up, which I brought my little thing. Like it's not
Your
that.
little thing?
No, stop it. Be good.
I am.
So, yep. All right, guys. Well, I'll get you another quick update once I get a chance. Later.